Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at WordPress website development, the tips and tricks. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So before we get started on talking about the WordPress website development, let's first talk about what exactly WordPress is all about and what is it. So WordPress is a widely used content management system, CMS, and it allows individuals and businesses to create and manage websites and blogs without needing advanced technical skills. Now, originally it was launched in 2003 as a blogging platform. WordPress has now evolved into a versatile platform for building a variety of websites, from simple blogs to complex e-commerce stores and corporate websites. Now, WordPress itself is an open source software, meaning it's free to use and can be customized according to individual needs. And I would say the key features that include for WordPress is the fact that it is a user-friendly interface and offers an intuitive dashboard and makes it easy for users to create and manage content. So we'll just showcase what the actual WordPress dashboard looks like. So this is the WordPress dashboard, and this is from one of our internal websites. But anyway, you have an area to locate for your posts. You've got an area for media, pages, comments meaning just for any of the blogs that you've published as well. And what's great about this is you don't need to have any extensive coding knowledge in order to use this particular CMS website builder. So we do have Elementor in here. We've got different templates as well. We've got our appearance. We've got plugins. Plugins are just little add-ons that you can use, and you can actually create e-commerce sites for WordPress if you download the WooCommerce plugin. So what we have currently is Elementor, iTheme security. So again, for security, that's great. We've got Smush, and that's to boost performance and SEO. We've got the events calendar as well, so we can share events and build some calendars on that as well. So that's a plugin for it. There's WP Rocket, and we also have WP members. And on-one WP migration isn't really important, as what that does is it can migrate a site from one area to another. So a blank site. It's particularly great if you're moving into a different server or if you're using a different engine as well. So that's like Nginx, things like that. That's the type of framework that you'd be using. But that's only great if you are looking to move into a different area, or if you need to back up a website, that would be the one to use. But anyway, going through this, it is a user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate around. You've got your appearance there, themes, customized widgets, menus, header, background, which we'll talk about later on in the video. But with the themes, we'll start off there. So we'll go ahead and click on themes. You do get a variety or a good amount of different themes for WordPress, and different websites offer themes as well. So we are currently sitting on a base theme, and there are other ones like 2020, 2021, you've got 2023 and 2022. Or you can choose to add a new theme if you want and search up some of the other ones that are available. So WordPress provides a range of pre-designed themes that determine the overall appearance and layout of a website. Users can choose from thousands of free and premium themes. Each offer various styles and functionalities. So, Hello Elementor, that's one of them. Again, great platform. Don't need to have any coding language at all, which is great. And here we have Astra. You've got 2022, which we looked at earlier on. Ocean WP, 2017 Condens. We have Neve, Generate Press, Popular FX. So a list. The list just goes on, so you've got plenty to choose from there. Now, say that you don't fancy any of the themes available here. What's great is that there are different websites that offer templates such as Envato elements, and from all items, if you just click on the drop down menu, you will be able to see CMS templates or WordPress. So since it is a CMS platform, you can just search for templates, and if we want to have a look for a digital marketing agency such as ProfileTree, so we'll do digital marketing agency, okay. Now there's 45 digital marketing agency templates that have been selected. So here we can refine for category. We in particular are looking for in WordPress, so there is a WordPress one there. But if you are using different development tools such as Joomla, Drupal, Magento, which is now the Adobe one, so that's now run by Adobe. You've got Muse, PrestaShop, Shopify, Ghost, Tumblr, so a load of different categories or a load of different website CMS builders. We in particular, of course, are looking for a WordPress build, so we'll take a look at WordPress here, and then we'll search up for digital marketing agency, like so, and we've got 882, so that's a big difference compared to the one that we've seen earlier on. So if we do CMS, we only have 45. So for those who don't actually know, WordPress is the primary source for all the different websites that you see currently on the net. So it makes up majority of the websites on the internet at the minute. But anyway, they've got a list of different templates that you can use. So you've got Cosmo, Cleana, Montero, and if you do find the one that you like, go ahead and select it. Go ahead and do a live preview. See how you feel about the actual template before downloading. So you can see how modern it is. It's beyond better, well, if not better, somewhat above the performance that you would want, performance and look from different website builders. So this is Nexty. That you can see it's a nice, modern and sleek design. You've got services there, you've got clients, you can see how well laid out the actual site itself is. So that's just the different, I would say, a showcase of the team. Okay. So that's some of the work that they would be doing. So I would say that this is like an Instagram showcase. It's always great, especially if you're doing a website build, to integrate some of your social media onto the platform. That'll help boost ranking and as well as ranking SEO. But yes, that is what the themes can provide. Again, multiple different ones available on the net. You can see how well it flows through the website, and with this particular template that we're seeing here. But yes, just thought to showcase what the different themes are on Envato elements. There are other websites out there, but I would prefer to use Envato myself. But anyway, coming back onto the actual dashboard, we also have, or there is an area, sorry, for plugins. So talking again on the plugins, these are add-ons that extend the functionality of a WordPress site. So I don't think I fully covered this in explanation, but there's thousands of different plugins available for tasks such as SEO optimization, e-commerce integration, social media sharing, contact forms, security enhancement, and more. Now, if we take a look, if we go ahead and add new, okay, and we take a look at some of the stuff that they have. So we'll do SEO. So we'll do something based on SEO. So there's Yoast SEO, Rank Math SEO, and for those who don't know what SEO stands for, it means search engine optimization, and that's what you want to have as a website owner. But we've talked about that and discussed that in other videos if you want to go ahead and check out our YouTube channel. But anyway, that's what's good about them. You can integrate social media onto it as well. So if we maybe search up something to do with social media, let's have a look. Social media, there should be an integration for it. So social media share buttons and social icons. So that's where you can add like Facebook icons, Instagram icons, LinkedIn, things like that. There's social media widget as well, and then you can revive old posts if you want to. So tons and tons of different plugins that's available just for you to use, which is great. That's what you would like to have on WordPress. And coming on to the customization, let's have a look. So appearance and customize. So while ready-made themes are available, if you are a little bit technical and have some knowledge on different coding languages, then you may feel that it's great with HTML, CSS, and even PHP. And that allows for complete control over the website's look and feel. So if you wanted to use visual code, you can do so. They also do have an area there for additional CSS if you want. So that's where you can add your own CSS code and customize the appearance or the layout of the actual site. You have an area to change your colors. You've got site identity as well, header image, background image, menus, widgets, homepage settings, and things like that. So couple of different areas in order to do some web development, and that's what makes WordPress great. You can fully customize it the way you like. But yes, the overall customization is great. There's a lot that you can have a control over and change the website's look and feel. So what else does WordPress have? It also has blogging capability. So like we've discussed earlier on, WordPress origins as a blogging platform, and it's still great with it. It's got robust blogging features as well. It includes tools for creating and managing blog posts, categories, tags, and comments. So that's what we've seen here. We've got posts, media, pages, comments. So it's still originally is that sort of platform. It's still that way from how it was in 2003 as a blogging platform. So they've got ones. We've created one here. You can easily create one. So if you wanted to add new and create a post, so we'll actually use ProfileTree as our example here. So within blog, this is actually a WordPress build. This is where we're able to upload all our different blogs, and that's through our current theme that's being used at the moment. And if we head back to the dashboard, you can see this is a blog. So this is a blog, okay? And then you can type and choose a block. You've got paragraph, images, quotes, headings, gallery, lists. So depending on how the HTML and CSS and the back end of it, and depending on the theme that you're using, then that's the way it's going to be presented. So if we do here, a blog. Okay, so something very, very plain, simple. You can go ahead and preview that. You can check it through desktop. You can check it through a tablet or a mobile view. Currently, of course, there is no CSS or HTML that's involved within the blog post that we currently have. So the template itself is a default template. However, if we do change it, you can do Elementor Canvas or a particular theme. And then there's a URL for this particular blog. It's best to always change that. And you can do a pending review if you want on it. So with the categories, you can add it to a particular category. So say, for example, if I go back to web design or ProfileTree website, and I have one particular for SEO. So then that results in the services to do with SEO. You can see there's different categories there: blogging and vlogging, business leaders, business strategy. See if you can actually see this on my screen. So I'll do that again. There's a category, so you can see we've got business leaders, business strategy, careers, content writing and marketing, digital transformation. You've got personal development, PR, public relations, ProfileTree news, and so on. So a list of different categories, and that's what you can create with this. So depending on if you want to add a new category, you can specify for SEO. And then you can create that as a parent category or uncategorized. So if it's to do with that particular area, you can, but we'll add that new category and see how it pops up. So that's now SEO. And if I go to uncategorized, okay, we'll say the new name on that one is ProfileTree. add that new category, and you can see now that we have a subcategory under categories called ProfileTree. So multiple different ways you can actually customize the posts, which is great. You can add tags in as well. You can have featured images, excerpt, and discussions. So you can allow comments if you want to. When you're happy enough, you can go ahead and preview it or publish it. And whenever you're ready, select publish, and that's you. That's how you would go ahead and do the blogs. That's the blogging capabilities. So great and amazing tool to have on WordPress itself, since it is originating from that. So I would 100% fully recommend to use WordPress for this, and that's how you would more or less do a website development on here. But anyway, other areas of or for WordPress itself is the fact that it has responsive designs. So many of the actual themes that we see here from Envato Elements or WordPress itself has to be responsive or is responsive. So since they are responsive already, that means that they automatically adjust and look great on various devices. So let's see if we can try to do an example on one. So here we have Nexty, which is one of the themes that we viewed earlier on. If I go ahead and decrease the sizing on this one, so I've went ahead and decreased the size. Now, if I just go ahead and shrink it down a little bit, you can see how the site's becoming more and more responsive towards the actual screen size. So let's just say that this is the mobile view. From the very top there, we can see that our header has now changed into a menu area, and you can see how it sort of does its little animation there. It's pretty cool animation. But anyway, this would be tablet view. I would say that that's tablet view. So you still have the option to see the navigation. So hello, we're Nexty, and then all this and that. And of course, if you scroll down, everything is still perfectly fine, ready to go. And if I bring it up to its desktop version, you can see straight away that everything still works as it should. We've got about, services, clients, team, works, and contacts. So that's the responsive design. You want to make sure that you're picking a theme that works great on all and various devices, and that, again, for the desktop computers, smartphones, and tablets. Now, another great thing about the website development for WordPress, if you are to do one, is that it is very SEO friendly. WordPress's clean code and numerous SEO plugins make it easier to optimize websites for search engines, helping with better search engine rankings. So that's another plus, I would say, for a website development for WordPress, which makes it a great platform to work on. Now, you can see some of the stuff that we've already done for SEO here as well. And if I go ahead and go in the plugins again, you can see that we did have some SEO stuffs there also. It all depends as well. You got to make sure that you have as many blogs as you can, even though you're not a blogging type website. It's always great to have blogs on a site as you are improving and ranking. If you have that, it's great for SEO. But as well as some of the stuff that we've discussed already, which is the user-friendly user-friendly interface, the themes, plugins, customization, blogging capabilities, and responsive design, and the fact that it's SEO friendly, you also get community support. So the WordPress community is vast and active. Users can access forums, tutorials, and online resources to find solutions to problems. So get advice and stay updated with the latest trends. We'll do an example. So say I searched up on the Google search engine here, and I typed in WordPress. Okay, and let's just do WordPress profile tree, and I select images. Straight away, we've got different multiple videos linked to YouTube. So all the images, even though it is an image, it's linked to YouTube. Now, again, that's community support. If I type in community, and you can see that we've got Bluehost talking about the WordPress community. We've got BuddyBoss as well, so community WP plugin. They've even got a WP plugin as well, which is great. Elementor, it's all there. And you can make a WordPress community if you want to. So there's the different forums available. If you do get stuck on a particular area, then you have the community to support you. But yes, overall, WordPress is an all-rounder, and if you were to create a website on it, you'd more or less be capable in doing so, as it doesn't really require any technical skills. And those, I would say, would be some of the tips and tricks. Just go over it. The best way you can do it is to create a site, build on it, see how you feel about it, get some practice into it, learn the overall layout of WordPress itself, feel it out, see how you think about it before you start getting into some like client work. So that would be my suggestion for it. At the end of the day, you have other areas as well. The fact that you should optimize your areas like imaging, check your typography as well, check your content more or less, because you want to make sure that you have the best performance for a site. You can't let the site run bad. But overall, that would be the tips and tricks and some of the discussions that we talked about overall on what WordPress is all about. So there you have it, guys. That is pretty much what the WordPress CMS builder is all about. Now, it's a great platform, especially for those individuals and businesses to create professional looking websites with ease. Its flexibility, large developing company, and extensive ecosystem of themes and plugins make it a popular choice for website development. So whether you're a beginner looking to create a blog or an experienced developer building a complex website, maybe WordPress would be the right CMS tool for you, as it offers all the tools and resources to bring your online presence to life. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. If you're maybe wanting to get some website development done, why not visit our website at www.profiletree.com. Visit the contact page, let us know what project you have going on, and we'll be glad to help you out. But as I say, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you for the next one.